Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios, Miami Bay to be more specific. And we're giving you a tour of the China Harbor Miami Bay Roaring River development. Now this is after the hurricane passed, and if you notice, little or no damage to these buildings. But the buildings in western Jamaica are severely damaged. So Jamaica needs as many contractors as possible to rebuild Western Jamaica. And we need foreign contractors like China Harbour Engineering Company to come to Jamaica to help build back Western Jamaica. And we're going to talk about the number one contractor in the world, not in Jamaica, in the world, coming to Jamaica. This company is China State Construction Engineering Corporation. And everybody in Jamaica knows the name China Harbour Engineering Company. This company is larger than China Harbour Engineering Company. So it's a benefit to Jamaica for them to be coming here. Now this company has 368,000 employees. In 2023, their revenue was 320 billion US dollars. And they are by far the number one contractor in the world. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this company. The China State Construction Engineering Corporation, CSCEC, is the largest construction company in the world and one of China's most powerful state-owned enterprises. It plays a major role globally in infrastructure, real estate, and mega engineering projects, including some of the world's tallest skyscrapers, longest bridges, and largest housing developments. It was founded in 1957 and their headquarters is in Beijing, China. CSCEC operates in over 100 countries and covers the entire construction value chain, including infrastructure development such as highways, railways, metro systems, bridges, ports, and airports. They've built skyscrapers and mega projects, known for building record-breaking structures. And they offer a full package including design, planning, project financing, engineering, procurement, and construction services. Now, some of the buildings that this company has built is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. I'm not sure if it's still the tallest building in the world, but it was at one time. They built the Beijing National Stadium, known as the Bird's Nest, and that is a stadium that Usain Bolt and the other Jamaicans dominated in during the Olympics, the 2008 Beijing Olympics. And they built the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge, the world's longest sea crossing bridge. And they built the Shanghai Tower in China, the world's second tallest building. So this company is a massive company, and Jamaica is going to benefit tremendously for them working in Jamaica. And CSCEC works closely with China Harbour Engineering Company on the Belt and Road Initiative projects, which Jamaica joined in 2019. So this is one of the main reasons why they are going to start working in Jamaica. Also, Jamaica has a lot of infrastructure, and some of the infrastructure that Jamaica is building is impressing the world for a Caribbean country to be building these kind of structures, and many more to come. The amount of hotels that are being built in Jamaica, and they are getting taller. I think the tallest hotel that they have broken ground on is the Moon Palace in Montego Bay, which is 33 floors, but they have plans to build a 34-floor mixed-use building in New Kingston and a 50-floor one in New Kingston, although they haven't broken ground on those yet. Alright guys, enjoy the tour and we will keep you guys updated on the number one contractor in the world coming to Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.